Welcome, sweeties, Laura here. Today, we are going to look at a gentle card. It holds both sadness and hope. This is the Five of Cups, suit of cups, about feelings, emotions, hearts. When you see this card, do not be afraid. It's here to teach you something important. After a loss, there is always something that remains. Learn to see the whole picture, not just what makes you sad. A quiet guide for difficult times, a soft light in the darkness. Card number 5. 5 often brings change, a little trouble, a challenge, a bump in the road. Not always bad. 5 is a teacher. It pushes us to grow. It asks us to look in a new way. Time for learning. Pay attention to life's lessons. Be patient with yourself through change. A card that tells a story about feelings. Imagine a quiet place. Cups have fallen over. Something has been lost. It's okay to feel sad. You have permission to grieve, but gently look up. Behind the spilled cups, other cups stand tall. These cups are not empty. They hold something precious. Even when we lose something, we do not lose everything. There is always love, hope, strength. 5 of Cups. It's balance. Balance between gone and still here. A very human card. We all experience loss. We all know sadness. Let us look closely at the symbols on this card. The main symbols are the cups themselves. In tarot, cups always represent our feelings. They are connected to the element of water. Think of water. It can be calm like a still lake, or it can be stormy like a rough sea. The cups hold these feelings. They hold our love. They hold our joy. They hold our sadness. They hold our connections to other people. When you see cups in a reading, you know the message is about your heart and your emotional world. Let us spend a little more time with the spilled cups. There are 3 of them. The spilled cups, close up. They are in the foreground, the first thing we often notice. This represents how loss can take up all of our attention. They represent a significant emotional loss, a disappointment that has broken your heart. The dark color, wasted on the ground, points to regret. It is the feeling of if only. This card can bring up feelings of guilt or blame. The spilled cups ask you to look at these feelings of regret, so you can begin to understand them, and in time, let them go. Now let us turn our attention to the 2 cups that remain standing. These cups are just as important as the ones that have fallen. They are often placed a little bit behind the spilled ones. This means that we might not see them at first. The standing cups are a gentle nudge from the universe. They are a whisper that says, "Look again." There is more to this story. They represent hope. They represent new possibilities. These 2 cups are full. They are not empty. They contain the love and support that is still available to you. The number 2 can mean partnership, balance, choice. Find a balance between grieving what is lost and appreciating what you have. The flow of love has not stopped. It has only changed course. When the 5 of Cups appears in its exalted or upright position, it is a kind and gentle teacher. It brings a message of healing and emotional growth. It encourages you to be honest with your feelings. The card gives you permission to cry. It helps us to forgive ourselves and to forgive others. It frees you from the heavy chains of the past. When reversed or challenged, it can point to being stuck. You might be staring at those 3 spilled cups day after day. It can feel like a prison of sorrow and pessimism, yet it can also mean you are ready to move on, to pick up the 2 full cups. In love, honor your grief, and remember hope for a healthier bond ahead. In work, learn from setbacks. Notice skills and opportunities that remain. Created by Laura, the Tarot Reader. Thank you for visiting the channel. If you are interested in learning more about tarot, we have a variety of playlists on the channel for you to explore. Consider subscribing to help us reach other kindred souls. Thank you again.